Nobody knows कि you can actually make a lot of money doing this. It was a crazy edit, and I did not know how to edit like that. You always start off by copying. I wouldn't say influencer. Content is definitely the future, and you were quite fascinated by it. I remember.
Thank you for coming on our podcast.
Always. I remember that conversation we had in Jaipur. Do you remember that one?
Not really.
I'll tell you. Okay, so in Jaipur we had gone for a show, and shows you don't get paid that much, but they treat us really well. So we were living in Fairmont for 2 days. Right?
Acha, Fairmont.
Yeah, Fairmont. So we were in Fairmont for 2 days, and we were bunkmates, right? So we were in the same room, and we just had a very deep conversation at that time. And I think that's the time where I told you कि I'm making a reel for this, for veg non-veg. I was making a reel, and you were like, "Oh, so they sent this to you for free," and you were quite fascinated by it. I remember, and I said, "Yeah, content is definitely the future. Like this market is huge, gigantic."
But Jordan,
And I'm so glad to see you doing this podcast.
The reason I'm doing this podcast कि बहुत सारी unaware informations है. How to become a good model? What is the right path to working on this? And at the same time, मैंने आपको बहुत देखा है कि आप अपनी मॉडलिंग लाइफ और अपनी सोशल मीडिया लाइफ को बहुत आराम से मैनेज कर रहे हैं. स्पेसिफिकली मुझसे भी नहीं होता वो. जब मैंने मॉडलिंग स्टार्ट की थी, आई थिंक तब इंस्टाग्राम आया भी नहीं था.
I remember.
Like
You're very.
it was only blue वाला.
Listen, when I started, he was already a legend. Like I was like, oh my god,
Like, I was
Sander.
like हो गई थोड़ी age.
Yeah,
I'm just trying to maintain a little more good.
2019, I saw your profile and I was like, holy shit, he's worked for everyone imaginable.
So that is a work, like part of work. Now you are dominating and you are also doing very good projects.
Trying my best.
So my major question is for you, like you making really good content on Instagram. सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है कि how to find the right content. What is the true value of being an influencer? There are a lot of aspiring models जो अभी college में है, school में. You're also studying right
Yeah,
now.
I'm in my final year of law.
So as I'm saying कि like there are lot of people जो आपको look after करते हैं. Message भी आते होंगे Instagram में कि मुझे भी करना है.
So many. You have no idea.
So this question is for those people जो I think इस इंडस्ट्री में as a social media में कुछ pursue करना चाहते हैं. तो आप उन्हें कैसे suggest करोगे कि how to start as a influencer? Basic information क्या है उनके लिए?
Of course. So I'll tell you how I started. So I have a friend, Chirag Khanna. He's a big influencer now. I mean, he's doing really well and very, very proud of him, touch wood. So basically, he started making reels as soon as reels came out. And reels was a game changer. He started making reels and he told me कि even you need to post content. I don't have any influencer friends. तो फिर मैंने बोला कि yeah, actually it seems like a very good idea, putting my face out there, doing well. So it never really started with a financial goal in mind. But धीरे धीरे करके I didn't post a reel on my main account straight away. I had a private account as well. So I practiced on my private account. I posted almost like 5-6 reels on my private account. धीरे धीरे, and each reel became better than the last one. So with that practice, I figured out how to make reels well. And again, asking friends about opinions कि ये कैसी लगी, ये कैसी लगी. They're giving me honest feedback, and I improved on every reel. And after that, I posted the first one on my main account. Again, it won't be perfect to begin with. Nobody's perfect to begin with.
But like you were lucky. आप lucky थे. आपके साथ आपके friends थे जो आपको guide करने के लिए थे. But those who are living alone, वो लोग जो बहुत ज़्यादा introvert है, वो ज़्यादा prefer नहीं करते ज़्यादा लोगों से बात करना. They usually lock themselves in a house but उन्हें ऐसे content बनाना है. How to start? वो first step कैसे start करें? कि क्या वो trending music कहाँ से लेकर आएं, या recording हम कैसे करें, या उसमें audio कैसे fit करें? So many things because people are like अभी influencer इतना dominating कर रहे हैं market को, and they always come with new ideas. कि transaction, I still remember मैंने I think तुम्हें compliment भी किया था, तुमने Fight Club का कुछ Brad Pitt का कुछ transaction बनाया था. And that transaction is like very good to me. It's like I compliment you, यार ये that is good यार. That is good.
That was an original idea, honestly.
ये मेरे दिमाग में भी नहीं आया कि like how to make this sort of transaction, but you thought about it and आपने उसे implement करके now you have a good number of views in that influence. So how to get those idea कि कैसे ये idea generate करें हम?
Okay, so the thing is, you always start off by copying. Okay, first several reels I made, I just copied what other people were doing and tried to make it myself. That's how I figured out how to make reels. And once you figure out how to make reels by copying others, trying to recreate stuff by yourself, that's when you can apply original ideas. Now, original ideas, you can't force creativity. Right? Creativity is something that just comes naturally. You naturally think of an idea roaming around day-to-day life. So I was in the gym Okay, and I saw okay, this yellow light, it kind of reminded me of Fight Club, right? Especially that scene where they fight and Brad Pitt gets up. So I thought I'll make a transition. My body was looking good.
Okay.
So I thought I'll make a transition with similar music. So I just looked up the lines from Fight Club in that particular scene, like a quote, and I added a transition to it, and I figured out कि ये ऐसे उठ रहा है. So I know how the transitions work in the editing apps I use, you know. So I just decided कि I'll do a similar motion and I'll figure out the transition. So I did that, and that's how I made the.
So उसका ड्यूरेशन क्या था? एक कंटेंट बनाने का आपने कितना टाइम लिया था?
It
Basically
depends on the content.
depends on the content.
This one wasn't long at all. This one was like an hour.
Okay, that's
Yeah, but a recent reel that I made with my dad, it was a crazy edit, and I did not know how to edit like that. So it was crazy transitions, slow motion, speed ramps, all of that. So that took me over 10 hours because I didn't know how to do it. So I was just trying certain things in certain places, and I just kept at it until it kind of worked. And now I know how to do it. So now I can do the same thing in 2 hours.
so like चलो इस टॉपिक को आगे थोड़ा सा और करते हैं. Now you managing your modeling career, your studies. कुछ सालों में आपने अपने आप को एज अ इन्फ्लुएंसर भी रिप्रेजेंट किया है. आपको क्रिटिसिज्म मिलता है?
I wouldn't say influencer अभी तक, but
No, like,
yeah, I'll try.
I'm saying it's not a bad word. They are a creative one because as an influencer ये आपकी responsibility बनती है कि हम aspiring generations को क्या offer कर रहे हैं.
Agreed.
But I'm saying कि दो professions को आप carry forward कर रहे हो. कभी criticism मिला है इसके regarding?
All the time. This is a very weird career because it's not proven yet. See, in our society, nobody knows कि you can actually make a lot of money doing this or you can do well doing this. It's a very uncertain thing because it hasn't been proven for very long. You take a normal career, like I'm doing law. Law has been proven. Lawyers do well if you work long enough in law, and it's a very sought after career path because there is that stability and you know that you will do well if you do this for a certain amount of time. But with content, it's so new that that surety isn't there, right? All of us are just doing stuff as it happens and figuring out our own way. Because since it's so new, especially with short form content, YouTube's still been around for a while. But short form content, it's so new that people don't really see the potential or scope in it, and be like, oh my god, he's just making reels.
The people are making millions of making content.
Oh, yeah.
I believe कि now influencer market is like कि you don't have to do 9 to 5 job. You're working for yourself. Recognition आपको मिल रही है उससे, and you're making a lot of money also. और from that आप अपनी बहुत सारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हो.
Exactly.
So
That's
there is no criteria कि कुछ बाउंडेशन नहीं इतना अर्निंग आप उसमें करोगे.
Yeah.
But I'm saying कि like इसमें भी क्राइटेरियाज हैं because आपने देखा होगा कि there are lot of multiple people जो different ideas पे
Yeah.
content बनाते हैं. As a fashion influencer आपको financially help मिलती है? You making money in this?
Oh yeah.
More than modeling?
Yeah. Significantly more than modeling.
More than modeling.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm saying कि like for those जो आपको look after करते हैं उनके लिए like ये ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है कि how to find a right content because हम भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें represent करते हैं.
I'm a very firm believer in doing what you like because if you're doing something that you don't like, you're forcing yourself to do certain things. वो नहीं होती, बिल्कुल नहीं होती. ठीक है. और अगर कुछ ऐसा कर रहे हो जो तुम्हें पसंद है, some people like playing chess, let's say. So you make content about chess. There's a channel called Gotham Chess on YouTube, and it's crazy. It's like 5 million subscribers or something, right? And he makes content about chess, right? About the different matches going on, about different strategies, and he's doing really well because he's passionate about that. I like fashion, okay, and I like modeling, so I make content about that. And I like certain lifestyle activities, sports, working out. I make content about that. You know, so I'm not forcing myself into a certain niche just because उसमें कुछ है. So, and the thing is, it's so vast, the market is so huge, there are 2 billion people on Instagram with a B, right? And the market is so huge that you can be a successful content creator in pretty much any niche as long as you do it well and you're passionate about it.
What happened to your eyes?
What? Kuch hua hai?
It's little red, reddish.
No clue.
Huh?
No clue.
Like here.
Huh?
Is anything to do?
Yeah? Why does it not seem okay?
No, it's like it.